Welcome! We're thrilled to have you here. RC planes are a fun and exciting hobby that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Whether you're a child or an adult, there's something magical about seeing a plane you built take to the skies. You can build and fly your own plane, and the process of assembling it is both educational and rewarding. From attaching the wings to ensuring all the parts fit perfectly, every step is a learning experience. It's a great feeling to see your creation in the air, soaring gracefully and responding to your controls. The sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. This guide will help you get started on your RC plane journey. We'll provide you with all the information you need, from the basics to more advanced techniques. We will cover everything from choosing a plane to flying it. There are many different models to choose from, each with its own unique features and capabilities. We'll help you find the one that's right for you. Let's get started on your RC plane journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, there's always something new to learn and explore in the world of RC planes. Are you ready to build your own plane? Unboxing your kit is the first step, and it's always an exciting moment. You'll find all the parts you need to create your very own flying machine. It's easier than you think. With clear instructions and a bit of patience, you'll have your plane assembled in no time. And the best part is, you'll have done it all yourself. With some patience, you'll be flying in no time. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn, from online tutorials to local clubs where experienced flyers can offer guidance. Let's pick out the perfect plane for you. Whether you're looking for something simple to start with or a more advanced model to challenge your skills, there's an RC plane out there that's just right for you. So, let's dive in and start exploring the wonderful world of RC planes together. There are many types of RC planes. When you first step into the world of remote-controlled aviation, the sheer variety can be overwhelming. From sleek, high-speed jets to graceful gliders, the choices are endless. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through this exciting journey. For beginners, trainer planes are best. These planes are specifically designed to be user-friendly, making them the ideal choice for those who are just starting out. They are built to be forgiving, allowing new pilots to make mistakes without catastrophic consequences. They are easy to fly and control. Trainer planes usually come with features like high wing designs, which provide extra stability. This means that even if you make a wrong move, the plane is more likely to correct itself, giving you a smoother flying experience. Trainer planes are very stable. Stability is crucial when you're learning the ropes. A stable plane allows you to focus on mastering the basic controls without worrying too much about keeping the plane in the air. This means they stay level in the air. A level flight path is essential for beginners as it reduces the complexity of flying. You can concentrate on learning how to maneuver the plane without the added stress of constant altitude adjustments. They are perfect for learning how to fly. Many trainer planes also come with dual control systems, allowing an instructor to take over if you get into trouble. This feature is incredibly beneficial for building confidence and skills. Once you learn the basics, you can try other planes. As you gain experience and confidence, you'll find yourself wanting to explore other types of RC planes. The sky is literally the limit. Sport planes are faster and more agile. These planes are designed for those who crave speed and excitement. They can perform quick maneuvers and are perfect for pilots looking to push their skills to the next level. Gliders use air currents to stay aloft. Unlike other planes, gliders rely on natural air currents to maintain flight. This makes them incredibly efficient and a joy to fly for those who appreciate a more relaxed flying experience. Aerobatic planes are for stunts. If you're into performing loops, rolls, and other aerial tricks, then aerobatic planes are your go-to choice. These planes are built to handle extreme maneuvers, making them perfect for advanced pilots looking to showcase their skills. Most beginners start with a kit. A kit has all the parts you need. It also has instructions to guide you. Inside the box, you will find wood pieces, plastic parts, and electronics. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. The instructions show you how to assemble everything. Take your time and follow each step carefully. Soon, you'll have a complete plane. The fuselage is the body of the plane. It is the central structure that houses the engine, electronics, and other essential components. You will build it first. This is the foundation of your RC plane, and getting it right is crucial for the overall performance and stability of the aircraft. The kit has wooden parts that fit together. These parts are precision cut to ensure a perfect fit, making the assembly process smoother and more enjoyable. Use glue to join the pieces. It's important to use a strong adhesive that can withstand the stresses of flight. Apply the glue evenly to ensure a secure bond. Make sure they are aligned correctly. Proper alignment is key to ensuring that your plane flies straight and true. Take your time to double-check each joint. Clamps can help hold them together while the glue dries. This ensures that the parts stay in place and the glue sets properly, providing a strong and durable bond. Once the glue is dry, you can add the landing gear. The landing gear is essential for takeoff and landing, providing stability and support to the plane. The landing gear helps the plane take off and land smoothly. It absorbs the impact during landing and provides a stable platform for takeoff, ensuring a safe and controlled flight experience. Next, you will install the engine. The engine is the powerhouse of your RC plane, providing the thrust needed for flight. Make sure it is securely mounted and properly aligned. After the engine, it's time to connect the electronics. This includes the receiver, servos, and battery. Proper wiring is crucial for reliable control and performance. Test the controls to ensure everything is working correctly. Check the movement of the control surfaces and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, balance the plane by checking its center of gravity. A well-balanced plane will fly more predictably and respond better to your inputs. With everything in place, your RC plane is now ready for its maiden flight. Take it to an open area, perform a final check, and enjoy the thrill of flying your very own creation. Section 5. Adding electronics. Now it's time for the electronics. The motor, servos, and battery make your plane fly. The motor provides the power. The servos control the rudder, elevator, and ailerons. These parts steer the plane. The battery gives the plane energy. Make sure you charge it fully before each flight. Safety first. Section 6. Wings and tail. The wings and tail help the plane to fly. The wings generate lift. The tail stabilizes the plane. Attach the wings to the fuselage. Ensure they are level and secure. The tail attaches to the back of the fuselage. The ailerons on the wings control rolling. The elevator on the tail controls pitching. The rudder on the tail controls yawing. Section 7. Balancing act. Balancing the plane is very important. This means making sure the weight is distributed evenly. Use a balancing stand to check the center of gravity. Adjust the battery position if needed. A balanced plane will fly smoothly. An unbalanced plane might be difficult or even dangerous to fly. Section 8. Ready for takeoff. Congratulations, your plane is built. But before you fly, do a final check. Make sure all the parts are secure. Check the electronics. Is the battery charged? Do a range check with the transmitter. This ensures the signal reaches the plane. Now you are ready for the maiden flight. Section 9. First flight tips. Find a large open area for your first flight. Avoid trees, buildings, and power lines. Calm wind conditions are best. Start with straight flights. Practice taking off, flying level, and landing. Then try gentle turns. Don't over-control the plane. Let it fly. With practice, you'll gain confidence and control. Section 10. Happy flying. Building and flying. RC planes is a rewarding hobby. You'll enjoy the challenge and the thrill of flight. Join a local RC club to share your passion with others. Always prioritize safety when flying. The sky's the limit with RC flying. Explore different planes and flying styles. Have fun and keep practicing.